Understanding Adaptive Strategies, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept: adaptive strategies. This phrase might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Understanding it can be incredibly useful in both everyday life and in academic contexts. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning of adaptive strategies. Adaptive strategies are methods or approaches used to adjust to new conditions, challenges, or environments. In simpler terms, these are the techniques or plans that individuals, groups, or even species use to effectively deal with changes or difficulties they encounter. The key word here is adaptive, which means having the ability to adjust or change in response to different situations. To better understand the concept, let's look at some examples. 1. In nature, animals often adapt to changing environments. For instance, birds migrating south for the winter is an adaptive strategy to survive colder temperatures. 2. In business, a company might change its marketing strategy in response to new consumer trends. 3. In personal life, adapting your study habits to learn a new subject more effectively is also an adaptive strategy. These examples show how adaptive strategies can be applied in various contexts, helping entities to survive, grow, or succeed. Adaptive strategies are crucial because they enable us to cope with change, which is a constant in life. By being adaptive, we can overcome challenges by finding new ways to deal with problems, stay relevant, especially in fast-changing fields like technology or business, grow and learn. Adapting allows us to develop new skills and knowledge. Understanding and developing adaptive strategies can lead to personal and professional growth. As language learners, adaptive strategies are particularly important. When you encounter a difficult aspect of English, adapting your learning strategy can make a big difference. This might include using language apps differently, changing your study routine, seeking new ways to practice speaking. Adaptive strategies in language learning help in overcoming barriers and improving fluency. And that's a wrap on adaptive strategies. I hope this video has shed light on what adaptive strategies are, how they are used in different contexts, and why they are so important, especially in language learning. Remember, being adaptive is all about being flexible and open to change. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in your English language learning journey. See you in the next video.